Do you ever look around your home and wonder how you ended up with so many items that you no longer use? Perhaps it's time to consider decluttering and turning that clutter into cash. Welcome to the fascinating world of selling unwanted items. Imagine a space where every item has a purpose and there's no room for unnecessary clutter. This is not just about creating a visually appealing environment, but it's also about the joy of knowing that each item in your home is something you truly value. Now, picture this. Not only are you creating a cleaner, more organized space, but you're also making some extra money. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? Well, it's absolutely possible and more straightforward than you might think. First things first, you need to decide what to sell. Start by going through your belongings. It's time to be brutally honest with yourself. If you haven't used something in a year, chances are you probably don't need it. Remember, one person's trash could be another person's treasure. Once you've identified your sellable items, it's time to clean them up. A little bit of elbow grease can go a long way in increasing the value of your items. Clean items look more appealing, and therefore, they're more likely to sell. Now, let's talk about where to sell these items. You have multiple options. Online platforms like eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace are excellent places to start. These platforms have a wide reach and allow you to sell everything from furniture to clothing to electronics. If online selling isn't your cup of tea, local markets and garage sales are a great alternative. They provide a fantastic opportunity to engage with your community while making a profit. As for pricing your items, do a little research. Check out how similar items are priced on various platforms. Remember, the goal is to sell, so be realistic with your pricing. If you price too high, your items might not sell. If you price too low, you might not make as much as you could. Finally, it's time to list your items for sale. Good quality photos and a detailed description can do wonders. Make sure your photos are clear and well lit, and your descriptions are honest and informative. And voila! You're in the business of selling your unwanted items. Not only have you decluttered your space, but you've also made some extra cash. Remember, decluttering is not a one-time event. It's a lifestyle, so keep evaluating your belongings and repeat the process as needed. So why not give it a try? Start decluttering, start selling, and start enjoying a cleaner, more organized, and profitable space. And of course, don't forget to come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.